Welcome back to EDS, and in this video we're going to take a look at how you can write your own options contracts, collect a premium upfront and generate a consistent return year on year. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up our brokerage platform. We're using tastytrade, and what you want to do is we want to see where we are in the option cycle, because of course we're going to be using options. That is our instrument of choice. So we want to see where we are. So you just want to pull up any underlying, we've got UAL up right now. We just want to see a list of expirations. We want to stick with monthly expirations, and we want to be somewhere between 30 and 60 days out in time. So based on that information, December 20th is what we're going to go for, which is 63 days away. We can then take that information, come over to our watch list, and filter out anything that has earnings over the next 63 days. We can also filter out anything that has a low liquidity level. These are things that we don't want to be trading. And then what we're left with is a list of underlyings that we can then rank or sort from high to low IVR. At this point, you just want to go down the list and see what looks good, what would fit well in your portfolio. And you just go down the list one by one and just see what takes your fancy. We've got Alcoa Corp here, AA, trading at $41. Is with an IV rank of 59.7 and an absolute IV level of 53.6%. I think we'll go with AA. We can have a look at AA, and we go straight to the December 20th expiration. And now we are presented with the options chain here. I typically like to be anywhere between 16 and 20 deltas on either side. So for the call side, we've got a 19 delta here, which looks perfect at the 50 strike. And then on the put side, we've got a 19 delta here at the 35 strike. And all in all, this to me looks like a very healthy position. Our range that we've created for ourselves is basically between 35 and 50. We've got a 70% probability of profit and 88% probability of hitting 50% of max profit at some point in the trade, and we'd collect $1.74 up front, and our broker is only going to require $400 in buying power. This is a very, very high return on capital trade for a naked position, and this looks really good to me. I like this. So with that in mind, you wanna make sure that AA would fit in your portfolio, and as long as it fits in your portfolio, you'll be fine. There isn't really any need to cover our positions or cover our short strikes. You can if you want, but because the buying power requirement is so low, there's no real need to do that. With that in mind, you do need to also keep note of your position size. So this is obviously going to require $400 in buying power. And to know whether that's okay for your portfolio or not, we've got a position sizing template here that's free for everyone to use. The way it works is you enter in the size of your portfolio. Say if it's $10,000, below you can then enter in the current VIX level, say if it's 16.3. After that, everything will then be automatically calculated for you below. And you can simply use this information to form the backbone of your portfolio. And to get a copy of this, click the link in the description and click on free position sizing template. It will take you to where you need to go. Also, if you want to get involved in the positions that we're making and seeing what we're doing in our portfolios, what adjustments we're making, etc., again, link in description. Click on EDS Premium, get yourself signed up. Inside, you will have access to all our portfolios. There's a full course inside, so no prior knowledge is required. And if you get stuck, you can speak with myself and other like-minded individuals. There's a 100% money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied after 6 months, you can request a full refund, or we'll simply work with you for free until you are satisfied. So it's completely risk-free on your part. It's £1 a month to join right now. The price will be increasing, but once you're in, you don't need to worry about price increases. Your membership is locked in, as long as you don't quit and then rejoin at a later date. So you are rewarded for getting in early. And with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.